How to delete all promotions in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and log into your account. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find promotion in inbox, which is on the left side. You'll find promotion beside primary and social. You'll find all your promotions mail. Simply click on box which is located on top left and all the mails will be selected. After that, simply click on delete and all your promotions Gmail will be deleted. That's how to delete all promotions in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.